Hey up guys, Dave here. Song number 24 of writing 41 songs in 41 days. Today I just want to do something simple, but it's going to be a lot of fun for me, just writing blues. And hopefully, in a few days, this laryngitis will be completely gone. I can actually start recording some of these songs again. Let's get cracking. I'm thinking about just making this as simple as possible. It's just a note that I found from my Homework for Life. I've discussed that in another one of these videos. Basically, it's about the first time my son ever lied. My little boy wanted some sweeties or some crisps or something like that. He had to have his lunch first. And I said to him, have you eaten your sandwich? He said, yes. I looked in the bin. Lo and behold, there was a sandwich. It's one of those things you don't teach your kids how to lie, but they just suddenly learn how to do it. It was the smallest white lie. It really made me laugh. I just thought it was an interesting thing to use as this like a bluesy idea. I never forget the first time you lied. Never forget the first time you lied. It was small and it was white. Never forget the first time you lied. I know these are really simple lyrics, but I remember something someone said to me ages ago, which was you only really need 3 lines for a blues. So you need first line, second line, first line repeated, and fourth line. Blues people out there will be like, this is shit. If I write blues, I'll often think about doing like, you know, the 4 chord, going to the 4, diminished, back to the 1, avoiding the 2-5-1s to get us in between the chords and things like that and stuff. But I don't want to do it. So I'm thinking if I could have... I might have a second kind of one of these. Why life's so small, it made me laugh. You've opened the door and there's no turning back. Why life really small, but I don't mind. Just don't do it all the time. I really do enjoy playing the blues, and I know it's really simple. I could have gone down so many avenues, but I just wanted to go really simple with this one. If you want to check it out, it's on the screen now. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you tomorrow.